Hello everyone, welcome back to Shine Education. Let us learn the disorders of the digestive system. Today I am going to tell you a simple trick to learn the disorders of digestive system. As everyone knows the disorders of the digestive system, but we will have a small glance regarding these. And the first one is jaundice. In this jaundice, hepatitis and anorexia occurs. Hepatitis is nothing but the liver will be affected, and anorexia, it is nothing but lack of appetite. And the common symptom is skin and the white part of the eyeballs turn yellow due to the deposition of the bile pigments. And the next one is vomiting. A feeling of nausea precedes vomiting. Actually, vomiting is nothing but throwing out of the contents of the stomach through the mouth. This reflex action is controlled by the vomiting center in the medulla oblongata. And next one goes to diarrhea. Abnormal frequency of the bowel movement. And constipation. This is the irregular bowel movement. Indigestion. Food is not properly digested, leading to a feeling of fullness. These causes of indigestions are mostly spicy foods, overeating and anxiety. And now comes a trick to remember the disorders of digestive system. And a sentence for remembering these digestive system are: Joe can drive a van on iceberg. Here in this Joe can drive a van on iceberg, some words are written intentionally to frame the sentence. And here in this Joe, J stands for jaundice. And C stands for constipation. D stands for diarrhea. And V stands for vomiting. And the last one is I. I stands for indigestion. And this is a simple sentence to remember the disorders. That is, Joe can drive a van on iceberg. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.